A very pleasant and warm good afternoon to our esteemed Chairman Sir, respected Vice Chairman Sir, respected Director Sir, distinguished IEEE representatives, honored guests, respected faculty members, and my dear fellow students.
On behalf of Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, New Delhi, it is my proud privilege to extend a cordial welcome to all distinguished dignitaries, respected faculty members, IEEE representatives, and dear students to the inauguration ceremony of IEEE student branch under the IEEE Delhi section.
Today marks a significant and historic milestone in the academic advancement of our institution, as we formally established the IEEE WIP student branch, a platform dedicated to fostering innovation, research excellence, leadership, and global professional engagement.
Thank you, esteemed dignitaries, for gracing the dais and elevating this occasion with your presence. To invoke the divine blessings and symbolize the trumpet of knowledge, over ignorance, we shall now proceed with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. May I request our dignitaries on the dais to kindly light the lamp. I request the audience to please rise.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you, everyone. Kindly be seated. The illumination of the lamp signifies wisdom, enlightenment, and the beginning of a promising journey of the IEEE student branch at the WIPS.
As a token of respect and gratitude, we shall now felicitate our esteemed guests with bouquets as a small gesture of appreciation. May I request Vice Chairman Sir to felicitate Dr. M.N. Hoda Sir. Professor M.N. Hoda is the founder, director and professor of computer science at Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Computer Applications and Management, New Delhi. With over 3 decades of academic and professional experience, Sir is the chairperson of IEEE Delhi section. Sir has authored numerous research publications, holds multiple patents to his credit. Sir's guidance will be instrumental in the establishment of the IEEE student branch.
Now I request Director Sir to felicitate Dr. Sneha Kabra Ma'am. Professor Sneha Kabra Ma'am. Now I request Director Sir to felicitate Dr. Sneha Kabra Ma'am. Professor Sneha Kabra Ma'am is a professor in the Department of Electronics at Shahid Rajguru College of Applied Sciences of Women, University of Delhi, with a PhD in Electronics from University of Delhi. Ma'am has been actively involved in research, innovation, and academic leadership, contributing extensively through publications and professional engagement. A senior member of IEEE, Ma'am plays an important role in strengthening technical and professional activities. Ma'am presently is serving as a secretary in the IEEE Delhi section and is actively associated with advancing IEEE initiatives at the regional level.
Now I request Professor Dr. Vishal Jain sir to felicitate Dr. Rakhi Sharma ma'am. Ma'am is currently working in BVCAM, New Delhi. Ma'am is accomplished academician and recipient of the Young Women Scientist Award.
Thank you, ma'am, for your gracious presence and continued support. It is now my privilege to invite our respected director, sir, to deliver the welcome address. Sir, your visionary leadership has always guided the institution towards academic excellence. We request you to kindly address the gathering.
Again here. So, good afternoon, everyone. I know, first of all, apologies from my side that you need to wait for the long moment of a time. But I assure you, if you are here, you will get something from here. No doubt, the number of things which is planned, the number of the things that they all are doing, so you can no doubt get something from here. So it's a promise from my side that you will get something. So first of all, the chief guest, Dr. M.N. Huda sir, and he is the chairperson of IEEE Delhi section. The guest of honor, Dr. Sneha Kabra, secretary, IEEE Delhi section. Dr. Rakhi Sharma, the senior member, IEEE Delhi section. Our respected vice chairman, sir, Mr. Vineet, sir, and our all faculty members, the faculty coordinators, all the students present here, first of all, because they have a lot of patience, they are here. But definitely it's actually your event and you need to be participative. And I really promise you, you will get something from here because it is a IEEE student chapter and you need to work on that one and you need to do the innovation regarding that one. So first of all, thank you, everyone is here. And from the director's side, I welcome everyone, those who are present in this room, and good afternoon to everyone. Now, as we know, we are here to inaugurate IEEE student chapter here. So this is not only a technological event, we can say, but this is a thing that we need to go beyond the innovation. I say the beyond the innovation, that means by using this inauguration, this is IEEE. IEEE allow us to do the number of the things here, not particularly in the terms of a research or the publication, but it is an innovation which has come from the number of the ideas that you already have. Because I know the number of the researchers are here, the number of the innovators are here. It may be the faculty, it may be the student, anyone. So if you take something from here, so you can go for the idea and that idea can innovate the things. And that innovation can create an impact, no doubt to the institute, to yourself as well as the nationwide. So what we need to do, we need to convert our ideas into the innovation and the innovation into the impact. So that will create a role for us. So that's why we all are here just for inauguration purpose, show that we can officially start that IEEE section and we can start doing the innovations. Whatever that we are doing, no doubt it is okay, but to beyond that one, show that we can collaborate with not the internal authority, but for the external authority or for the global authority. One is the collaboration part, one is the research part, one is the innovation part, one is the teaching part. The number of things here that can open the boundaries to ourselves. The one thing that I want to say here, if the students are present here, they can easily relate that one, and no doubt the faculty also. So the few years back, what happened, there was a electronics department and the final year student was there. So the electronic faculty given the project, the final year project to the student. That means he said that there is a number of sensor in the IoT lab, try to do some project there. So all the student, the students, some students are very motivated to do the work, some are less, but some are, it's a depend upon the interest. So in that, I'm just telling you the story of two students. So one student that was no doubt very motivated, and that was a topper also, no doubt. He made a project by using that sensor. That is a project of a smart, they made a smart automation. Right. So in that they use the number of the sensor, the number of things that was project was, no doubt it is a, you can say it is a very, you can say collaborative in a sense of the, what they done. They made a red light alert system, they made a bus management system, everything was there in a project, and he get the complete full marks. And he was very excited regarding that one, and no doubt the excitement should be there. And he made a project, he get a marks regarding this one. So no doubt he gave the number of efforts to complete that project, and he did that part. One more student was there. So in that summer vacation, he visited to their own village, and he find out that the villager is suffered from that this water irrigation system, that the waste water was there. So he seen that the problem is there, but what we can do. But in his mind, they came that the sir said that try to make something which we can solve by using a sensor. So what he find out that from where the water is get wasted. So in that sense, he seen each and every part of the from the farmers, and he find out that the water is wasted just only due to the motor that are running. So what he did, he made that project in this sense. They just make a on and off switch. They put the sensors there. They make a soil moisture controller, and they connect this to the mobile phone, nothing more. But that type of use, real-time use, definitely the farmer get the number of advantages regarding this one. So that was the motivation that we need to take, because we need to solve here for the real-time problem. No doubt that student also get marks, but not the full. But they try to solve, they try to see, understand the problem, what is happening around us. So we are here, this IEEE section actually give the motivation to all of us that we try to look on the real-time problems that is around us, and we need to try to solve the problem, not as per the faculty, not as per the student, but as for the nation. Okay, so I'm not taking up too much time here, because the number of the speakers, and then we have a chief guest, Dr. Huda sir is here, and they need to take us some time here. So, but yeah, so from here, just take a one point that this IEEE section give us a number of advantages. We need to go beyond that innovation. We need to go for the collaboration and much more. Thank you here. But yes, we have a great speaker here. Try to note each and every point where you find that is a useful, and take note for that one. Thank you. Thank you for this.
Thank you, sir, for inspiring and encouraging words. We shall now proceed with the addresses by our esteemed guest. It is my honor to invite Dr. Rakhi Sharma ma'am. Ma'am, we request you to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you so much. Very warm welcome to all of you. Anyone knows about the tagline of IEEE? It is technology for humanity. So whatever we work, whether it is small or on a larger scale, it must be for the humanity. So when I started doing my PhD, earlier I used to work in Indian Agriculture Research Institute. So our that tag person is farmer, and my scientist says that whatever you do, you put your knowledge into, and God has made you so capable that if you are doing something, a minute thing, that should be targeted to humanity, and here we are targeting to the farmers, right? So here also, when we are associated with IEEE, we are putting our knowledge into any of the project, right? So it must be towards upliftment of the humanity. Here, we are here today. I remember Huda sir has given me a task that, we need to make various student branches across our Delhi section, and I have connected with Vishal sir as well, and with ma'am in November, and here we are today celebrating your student branches. So in various student branches, we have various chapters as well. So I would urge all of you to always navigate to the IEEE website, because it is plethora of opportunities would be there. To create an opportunity, you need to find those opportunities. And we here, maybe somebody are here IEEE member for 20 years, 25 years, 3 years, 4 years. That really doesn't make a difference, because whenever you are navigating those sites, you yourself will feel that you know very less. Whenever you are searching something on IEEE, you really are onto very marginal knowledge, because it is really ocean of opportunities when it comes to IEEE. When it comes to projects and fundings, again the IEEE has given us really a benchmark and the platform where all the ideas, small, big, are welcome. They will be processed. Even if your idea needs certain modifications where a larger audience can be reach out with your project proposals, that could also be guided by IEEE mentors. So there are various mentors also. And one thing is pretty sure, which I have analyzed over here, any one role you pick, whether for yourself as in student role, whether it is for the membership role, whether it is for the life members, you will come to know, every other person here in the IEEE is volunteer. When we say volunteer, it means every other thing we are doing is just for the sake of volunteership. Obviously, it is for our own happiness, and you yourself will know after conducting 3 to 4 events in your college that how improvised you are as a person, as a technologist, right? So whenever, for example, if you are into the role of a tech lead, or you are into the role of secretary or a treasurer at your level, you yourself will feel privileged and how capable you are into that role. Supposedly you have conducted 4 to 5 events in your college, and then you are sitting for the placement. The placement is really not about the tech these days, but also how your aura is and how a developed person you are. So whenever you are into such situation that you don't want to work with the sub person, but IEEE will give you that platform that you need to work with those people also, that time you will realize that certain opportunities were lacking in the life, and now that they are here, once you overcome those situations, you will feel yourself that you have improvised and you have set whatever you have set for your benchmark, you have overpowered that, right? So for that, we also have various VTool opportunities. So VTool is basically a platform where you will dodge your all the events so that world know what is happening in WIPS and how vibrant WIPS student branch is. So you need to have the reportings on the VTool. We usually conduct 3 to 4 VTool tutorials in the entire year that could be navigated to you through e-notices as well. And also we have a newsletter which we have started, and it is under public relation and publication. So all the events must be reported on the VTools, and if you want every other events on a small scale or large scale which you have conducted over here, and you want all people to see what kind kind of events and the projects are handled in WIPS, you can send those with good pictures to us and we can publish on this newsletter, which is released after every 4 months. So these are little things which we keep on doing under Delhi section. We are here to help you because I'm also a volunteer over here. So together I think backing each other we will grow together. Wish you really all the best and have a plenty of opportunities, funds, projects and happy learning. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable insights and gracious words. It is my proud privilege to invite Professor Dr. Sneha Kabra, ma'am. Ma'am, please grace the stage with your presence.
A very good afternoon to the Vice Chair of WIPS, Mr. Vats, Vice Chairman, the Director, Mr. Gupta, the distinguished leadership of IEEE Delhi Section, Chairman Professor M.N. Huda, an absolutely charismatic chairperson, the most dynamic chairperson I have ever seen in over 15 years of my volunteeringship with IEEE Delhi Section, my co-volunteer Dr. Rakhi, dear staff members and students, a very warm good afternoon to all of you. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all of you on this remarkable achievement, establishment of an IEEE student branch at WIPS. It's an immense pleasure for us at Delhi section to see our student branches growing. We have close to 200 plus student branches, and every time we receive a request for formation of a new student branch, it gives us immense pleasure and satisfaction to see that what IEEE is doing is touching lives of people, is touching the institutes. Students are enthusiastic to start their journey with IEEE and establish a student branch. So this is one of the most wise decisions which this institute has taken, and I just got to know that you started with engineering courses just a few years ago, and within these few years, journey of about 5 to 6 years, you have already established a student branch. And I can understand how much time, energy, efforts and passion it takes to begin a student branch at a newly formed college itself. So congratulations for that. Coming to what IEEE is, I am sure that while taking membership, all students must have opened the website and seen. So IEEE is the largest global network of technical professionals. It has close to 5 lakh members spread across more than 50 plus countries. And we at India, we have about 1 lakh members in IEEE. And within Delhi section, which not just covers the geographic area of Delhi, it covers entire northern region, starting from Jammu Kashmir, Chandigarh, Punjab, Himachal, Haryana. So under Delhi, we have close to 10,000 members, and I humbly welcome you on board as part of Delhi section. And students are our biggest strength. So out of these 10,000 members, close to 6,500 are students. So you are our biggest strength in IEEE, and you are the ones who are going to carry it forward. So my first and foremost request to you is that you must explore the opportunities which IEEE offers. Dr. Rakhi has already mentioned many of them. So by now, I hope you know that IEEE offers manifold advantages. To begin with, first of all, this is the biggest network of connecting with peers who are working in your group, who are working in the domain in which you are working. So you cannot get a better networking platform than IEEE. Second, once you are a member of IEEE, you get to know about the latest advancements in the field of technology through various emails. So at this point, I will take a pause to please request you to just go through the emails which you receive from IEEE. Every other day you must be receiving emails from e-notice So please don't ignore, because many times what happens then that once you start receiving mails every other day, at one point of time you just stop seeing them and ignore. So my request would be that please don't ignore. Each of those mails, you never know that which of those emails might just change your career track. And especially during this period of the year, IEEE announces calls for multiple projects. You can just check your mailbox. Right now also call for project proposal under Educational Activities Board is open, which invites application under different categories. There's a general category, there's a theme-based category, and IEEE provides funding to the tune of $1,100 for executing any project, for executing any idea. And the last date for submission of any proposal under this Educational Activities Board is 7th of March. So likewise, during this particular period of year, starting from January to about April, lot of different verticals of IEEE, they announce, they invite calls for proposal under different categories. The only thing is that it should fit into the scope of that particular board. And overall it should fit and align well with the vision of IEEE. So that was the second advantage of joining IEEE, that it gives you opportunities to get funding to implement your idea, which otherwise might not be possible. The third is that once you are a member of IEEE and you attend or participate or publish your work in any IEEE conferences, then you get some concession on the registration fee. That is one part. And another and bigger aspect is that once you have a publication of IEEE, whether in a conference or in a journal, it speaks volumes about your work. Then you don't have to prove that the research which you have carried out is authentic. A paper in IEEE transactions speak volumes about itself. So being connected in IEEE, publishing your work in IEEE gives immense satisfaction as technologists who are working in different engineering domains. And today it's all the time of technology. And sitting in this part of the city, I hope that many of you must have visited the AI Summit which is going on in the other part of the city, that is in East Delhi, in Pragati Maidan. It's going on. And that is the biggest summit in Asia probably upon AI. So you can understand that how important technology is in these days. And what better than IEEE, joining IEEE to learn more about technology, to explore more about technology. So with this, I once again congratulate you and urge you to explore IEEE website, to explore various opportunities which IEEE offers at all levels, for students, for faculty, for young professionals. So with this, once again, many congratulations, and I wish that this student branch grows in the years to come, both in numbers, in terms of organizing activities, in terms of getting awards, projects, and becomes one of the best student branch of Delhi section. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your enlightening address. It is now my honor to invite respected Dr. M.N. Huda, sir. Sir, we request you to kindly address the gathering.
Good evening to each one of you. Honorable Vice Chairperson of WIPS, Mr. Vineet Watsap, the Director of this esteemed institution, Professor Sunil ji, the very vibrant and active Secretary of IEEE Delhi section and a Professor at University of Delhi, Professor Sneha Kabra, my colleague, and having very special responsibility of hand-holding the student branches, Dr. Rakhi, Dr. Vishal, faculty colleagues from this esteemed institution, and very energetic young students who have joined IEEE and who have yet not joined but aspiring to join. It's my privilege to be with all of you. Many of the teachers were telling me, including the Vinit sir was telling me, today you are a guest. I have very long association with WIPS, almost last 2 decades since inception. And I never consider myself as a guest when I am coming for in any capacity to WIPS. So it is my home, coming to home. At the outset, let me congratulate you for having established this IEEE student branch, that too in a record time. Big round of applause for all the teachers and the student volunteers. मेरी 2 पंक्तियां हैं जो मैं ऐसे कामों के लिए समर्पित करता हूं कि जो सफ़र की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल तो पा ही लेते हैं, जो सफ़र की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल तो पा ही लेते हैं, क्योंकि अच्छे मुसाफिर का तो रास्ते भी इंतज़ार करते हैं. Dear friends, this student branch, in my last almost 20 years plus association with IEEE as a volunteer, was established in a record time after you submitted your proposal, and proposal was also submitted within a week and the approval was also granted within a week. 3 mahine. Because Dr. Vishal was involved, WIPS was involved, so I was also personally monitoring the activity at all the steps from the student branch level till the final headquarter level, and within a week the approval was granted. It is a record approval in last my 20 years association. मैंने ऐसी branches भी देखी हैं जहाँ queries after queries 3 महीने लगे हैं branch establish करने में. Third important and very special feature, this branch is established and being inaugurated during the Golden Jubilee celebration year of IEEE Delhi section. 50th year of IEEE Delhi section is going on since 13th of May 2025 till 12th of May 2026, and this branch is an historic branch being established under that 50th year. You are one amongst the part of that section, Delhi section, which has 4 states. Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal, and 4 union territories, Delhi, Chandigarh, Leh, Ladakh, and Jammu and Kashmir. So almost 8 states and union territories together. This constitute Delhi section jurisdiction, and Delhi section is one amongst the top 10 largest section of the world. So you are part of that, the top 10 largest section of the world, having 10,000 plus accomplished experts as part of this section. Then all sections put together as a country, India alone has got more than 1 lakh members out of the total membership base of IEEE 5 lakhs. So around 20% membership is alone from India. And not only the 20% membership, around 10 to 12% is the contribution of India in overall development of the standards in terms of course, CDAC, in terms of this primarily the CDOT. So you are part of such fraternity, which in itself is a brand. How many of you have studied computer networks? Computer networks कितने लोगों ने पढ़ा है? Are you aware about Ethernet? क्या स्टैंडर्ड है Ethernet का जिस प्रोटोकॉल पे Ethernet चलता है? IEEE 802.3. Then 4 token ring, token bus. IEEE project 802.x मैं कहता हूँ. Wi-Fi यूज करते हैं आप? Which IEEE standard is being used for Wi-Fi? IEEE 802.11, और 11 के आगे मैं X लगा देता हूं, क्योंकि A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, अब X भी पहुंच गया जी. In our technical life, communication system, more specifically telecommunication system, engineering sciences, we cannot think of living any day without IEEE standards. That is the kind of the penetration and omnipresence of IEEE standards, IEEE protocols in our day-to-day life. When you come to engineering sciences, whether it is a computer science, electrical sciences, electronic sciences, or maybe many of the allied sciences connected to these branches, the de facto standard definition of any of the concept is IEEE, and IEEE standard has been adopted. Close to 1500 plus standards of IEEE has been adopted as it is by ITU. You might be knowing ITU, International Telecommunication Union, who is responsible to notify the standards to the entire world. This is about the penetration of IEEE standards in our day-to-day life. If a smartphone we are using as at least half a dozen standard in this smartphone which IEEE has given. IEEE means the volunteers like you, the students and the teachers like you have developed that standard, and the standard has been adopted worldwide by ITU, and a standard is before all of us. Forget about engineering, sciences, technology domain, telecommunication or communication system. When I meet to the doctors, they say IEEE मेरी लाइफ में कैसे मुझे इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट कर रहा है. मैं मोबाइल यूज़ करता हूँ, ठीक है, मोबाइल के अलावा मेरे प्रोफेशन की लाइफ बताइए. मैं उन्हें कहता हूँ कि जो the machine which is working in the ICCU, the ventilator machine, if the machine is automated and communicating with different other medical devices in the hospital to monitor the life parameter of the patient and communicate to any other system, that communication cannot take place unless IEEE protocol is working there. People say स्मार्टफोन की बात अलग है, जो लोग फीचर फोन यूज कर रहे हैं, लास्ट पर्सन इन द डिलीवरी क्यू, मैं कहता हूं कि वो भी IEEE के स्टैंडर्ड से दूर नहीं है, आइसोलेटेड नहीं है. एक सिंपल फीचर फोन के चार्ज करने के लिए जो एडाप्टर यूज किया जाता है वो IEEE के स्टैंडर्ड 7728 पे बेस्ड है, जो इंश्योर करता है कि रिलायबल एंड सेफ करंट सप्लाई किया जाए सो दैट द चार्जिंग शुड बी सेफ एनफ एंड द डिवाइस शुड रिमेन सेफ. दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ द पेनिट्रेशन ऑफ IEEE. The end-to-end encryption of your WhatsApp, which each one of you are aware, whether you are a technocrat, you are from humanity sciences or you are from any of the domain, वो end-to-end encryption जिस पब्लिक के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे बेस्ड होता है, उसके बैकएंड पे जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चल रहा है, बैकएंड पे जो प्रोटोकॉल चल रहा है, वो IEEE का प्रोटोकॉल चल रहा है. जो मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के लोग हैं वो मेरे पास आते हैं और कहते हैं IEEE मुझे कैसे इंपैक्ट कर रहा. मैं कह रहा कि आपकी कार इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, फॉरगेट अबाउट अदर व्हीकल्स, नो व्हीकल इन टुडेज टाइम कैन फंक्शन विदाउट IEEE स्टैंडर्ड. इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल की बात कर लेते हैं, बहुत ही सिंपल काम है. फॉरगेट अबाउट द कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम, स्मार्ट व्हीकल्स होंगी, सेंसर्स और एक्चुएटर से कम्युनिकेट कर रही होंगी, कैमरा से कम्युनिकेट कर रही होंगी, डेटा ले रही होंगी व्हीकल्स और आगे डेटा सप्लाई कर रही होंगी. फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस. जस्ट इमेजिन कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स है उनके चार्जिंग के लिए जो सिस्टम डेवलप किया गया है, दैट सिस्टम इज ऑल्सो बेस्ड अपॉन द IEEE स्टैंडर्ड. स्टार्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग इट. सो मच सो आईफोन खरीदा और आपको लगा ये तो 80% पे रुक जाता है, मुझे ये 40 मिनट लगाता है चार्ज करने में. कैन आई गेट ए सिस्टम विच शुड वर्क इन जस्ट 20 मिनट्स फुल चार्ज? यस, देयर इज ए पॉसिबिलिटी, बट any and every adapter if you wanted to take and use it, that may spoil your phone. So you have to use any adapter which governs the IEEE standard, and IEEE 17201 is the standard which specifies the basic protocol for rapid charging system. That's the kind of the length and breadth. The fishermen who are working at any seashore, the weather forecasting system which is being used to communicate the information, that weather forecasting system in a wireless manner working, it is working on the protocol of the IEEE. So my dear friends, you are part of that society which has not left any person available on this earth which has not used or in whose life the IEEE has not created a significant impact that already is happening, what I have narrated before you. Close to 2,000 such standards of IEEE developed by volunteers like you. CDOT is one example in Delhi itself who has immensely contributed in many of the standard development committee, is already working, and close to 1,500 plus standards are in pipeline which is being developed, and who knows in coming days our life shall be transformed not only in terms of communication system but also in terms of the way we live, we interact and we deal with the people. With the infusion of AI becoming omnipresent in our day-to-day life, IEEE is going to again transform the world of standards and bring multiple kind of the protocols which will dictate how AI should be used and how AI should not be used. That is a society with which all of you have joined, and for which the inauguration of the student branch, all of us are here. So congratulations to all of you. मेरी 4 पंक्तियां हैं, मैं ऐसे ओकेजन पे समर्पित करता हूं कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं? जो बातें मैंने की आपको, वो हम अपने घर के साथ अपने उस चमन की, अपने उस कम्युनिटी की, अपने उस फैटर्निटी की बात कर रहे हैं, प्रोफेशनल्स की बात कर रहे हैं, जिन प्रोफेशनल्स के साथ हमने अपनी लाइफ को बेटर करने की कोशिश की है। डॉक्टर राखी आपसे पूछ रही थी कि IEEE की टैग लाइन क्या है, USP क्या है, IEEE की क्या यूनिक सेलिंग प्रपोजिशन क्या है। आप वेबसाइट खोलेंगे, पहली लाइन IEEE के नीचे, लोगों के नीचे लिखी मिलेगी, एडवांसिंग टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी। इट डजंट राइट एडवांसिंग टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स, advancing technology for technocrats, advancing technology for humanity. प्रोफेसर स्नेहा आपको बता रही थी कि IEEE.org is an ocean. आप उस ओशियन में जाएं, पर्ल्स निकालने की कोशिश करें। आपने शायद 2 से 3 हज़ार रुपए के बीच में पे किया होगा अपनी मेंबरशिप के लिए। आप 5,000, 10,000, $500 से लेकर और $10,000 तक का प्रोजेक्ट, अगर आपके प्रोजेक्ट में वैल्यू है, आपके प्रोजेक्ट पे जो लोग रिव्यू करेंगे वो ये समझें कि इससे सोसाइटी में कोई लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म होने वाली है, किसी अनकनेक्टेड को कनेक्ट करने वाले हैं, किसी अनरीच तक हम रीच करने वाले हैं, किसी अनसर्व्ड को हम सर्व करने वाले हैं। अगर ये पता चलता है तो आपका प्रोजेक्ट $500 से लेकर $10,000 तक का, मे बी इंडिविजुअल, मे बी इन कोलैबोरेशन, अप्रूव हो सकता है। तो जो आपने 2 से 3 हज़ार रुपए IEEE मेंबरशिप ज्वाइन करने में खर्च किया है, वो आपको बिल्कुल पिंच नहीं करेगा। आप उस कम्युनिटी के मेंबर हैं जो कम्युनिटी वर्ल्ड को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रही है, नॉट फॉर प्रोफेशनल्स, फॉर ह्यूमैनिटी। एंड इस वक्त जो थर्स्ट एरिया IEEE के प्रोजेक्ट्स के चल रहे हैं, इन्होंने बहुत सारी डेट्स बताई हैं, वो थर्स्ट एरिया चल रहा है क्लाइमेट चेंज, थर्स्ट एरिया चल रहा है सस्टेनेबिलिटी, थर्स्ट एरिया चल रहा है इस वक्त कि हाउ टू कनेक्ट टू द पीपल हु आर नॉट कनेक्टेड, स्पेशल इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप ऑन ह्यूमैनिटेरियन टेक्नोलॉजी साइट। थर्स्ट एरिया चल रहा है हाउ टू empower women in downtrodden underserved areas with the help of the technology. The purpose is how to bring technology closer to the people who are still away from the technology with the help of the strength of the IEEE. इसीलिए मेरी 4 पंक्तियां मैं समर्पित करता हूं कि हम घर तो अच्छा तभी बना पाएंगे जब हम सोसाइटी अपनी अच्छी बनाएं, अपनी कम्युनिटी, अपनी फैटर्निटी अच्छी बनाएं कि आशियाने से बढ़कर है फिक्रे चमन, आशियाना तो फिर बना लेंगे हम। आशियाने से बढ़कर है फिक्रे चमन, आशियाना तो अगर वो प्रोटोकॉल ना होता तो हमारे घर में हमारे मोबाइल्स उस वाईफाई से कनेक्टेड ना होते जिस IEEE 802.11x ने हमारी लाइफ को आसान किया है। सोचें आप, हमारे जैसे वॉलंटियर्स ने वो प्रोटोकॉल हमें दिया है कि आशियाने से बढ़कर है फिक्रे चमन, आशियाना तो फिर बना लेंगे हम, एक उम्मीद की लौ सलामत रहे, 100 दिए इस दिए से जला लेंगे हम। ये IEEE का मैसेज है। आई एम क्वाइट ऑप्टिमिस्टिक। जल्दी ब्रांच बनाने में जो 2 डजन तक मेंबर नहीं पहुंचा, वो इस विप्स के अंदर मैं देखना चाहता हूं कि पहले 100 का मार्क क्रॉस करे, इतने हैं, फिर वो 200 का मार्क क्रॉस करे। ये इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेंबरशिप काउंट कह रहा हूं। इन टर्म्स ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट विच यू विल अप्लाई, डॉक्टर राखी हैज टोल्ड यू देयर आर mentors available online, the IEEE volunteers have available online. If you have any idea, collaborate with them. This is a collaborative platform. Collaborate with them. They will do your hand holding. They will tell you, no, this idea will not work in this way in which you wanted to submit. This will certainly work in this changed way. If in this way you submit, your project will appeal to people and people will fund for that. So start, तो मैं ये देखना चाहता हूँ कि अगर काउंट की बात करें तो भी विप्स की स्टूडेंट ब्रांच नंबर 1 पे होनी चाहिए। अगर फंडिंग की बात करें, so all of you will fetch the fund and आपका फंड सेक्शन के थ्रू ही आएगा। तो आपके बताए बिना ही हमें पता चलेगा कि विप्स को कितना फंड आ रहा है। तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ फंडिंग नंबर 1 पे होना चाहिए। तीसरा, इन टर्म्स ऑफ इवेंट एंड एक्टिविटीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। अगर आप इवेंट एंड एक्टिविटीज नहीं करेंगे तो IEEE का जो तीसरा बड़ा मैसेज है कि कोलैबोरेट, नर्चर इनोवेशंस एंड क्रिएटिविटी एंड प्रॉस्पर, जिसको मैं थोड़ा शायर जैसी, मैं कविताएं, ह्यूमैनिटीज़ का आदमी हूँ, कंप्यूटर साइंस और कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग में तो इसलिए आ गया कि लोगों ने बताया कि ह्यूमैनिटीज़ में नौकरी नहीं मिलती, तो मैं कंप्यूटर साइंस में आ गया। 30 साल से कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ा रहा हूँ, लेकिन एक्चुअली कंप्यूटर साइंस इज़ माय प्रोफेशन एंड ह्यूमैनिटीज़, शायरी करना मेरे पैशन का हिस्सा है। तो मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि ये जो कोलैबोरेट एंड क्रिएट एंड फोस्टर इनोवेशन है, क्रिएटिविटी, इसको मैं कहता हूँ RP3, RP³ कह सकते हैं आप, RPPP कह सकते हैं कि रिसर्च, पेटेंट, पब्लिश एंड देन प्रॉस्पर। जो पब्लिकेशन की होड़ लगी है, बिलीव मी, आई एम फाउंडर एडिटर इन चीफ ऑफ ए जर्नल. आई हैव ब्रॉट ए जर्नल. वो जर्नल मुझे दीजिए. आई हैव स्टार्टेड ए जर्नल इन द ईयर 2009 द वे एवरी अदर इंस्टीट्यूट स्टार्ट्स ए जर्नल. एंड शायद लोग बहुत सारे मुझे भी डिस्करेज किया होगा, कुछ लोगों ने इनकरेज किया होगा. दिस इज द कॉपी ऑफ द जर्नल. विप्स इज अ सब्सक्राइबर टू दिस जर्नल, येट आई हैव ब्रॉट ए कॉपी ऑफ दिस जर्नल टू शो इट टू यू, जस्ट टू मेक यू टू अंडरस्टैंड यू कैन डू वंडर्स, मच मोर बिगर वर्क दैन दिस. तो इस जर्नल का फाउंडर एडिटर इन चीफ हूँ. पब्लिकेशन बिलीव करता हूँ, उसके बावजूद मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ द बिजनेस ऑफ पब्लिकेशन इज गोइंग टू डाई. whether it is a book, whether it is a conference publication, or whether it is a, बहुत सारे teachers इसलिए बता रहा हूँ, or whether it is a journal publication. This journal which I started in the year 2009, 2016, without giving any invitation, a Springer Nature team when was coming from Singapore to India on their routine travel, they wrote me a mail that we want to meet you, and when I met with them in my office, they gave one line proposal that we wanted to take over this journal and publish it from Singapore. It was a kind of pleasant surprise. I told them कि जर्नल में तो मेरा खून पसीना लगा है, मेरे ऑलमोस्ट 8 साल की जो मेहनत और कमाई है मेरी उस जर्नल में लगा, आप टेक ओवर करेंगे, ये मर्जर एक्विजिशन के जैसा है. दिस आई विल नेवर अलाउ. एंड फाइनली आफ्टर ऑलमोस्ट 3.5 months of negotiation, I made a Springer Nature team from Singapore to agree that all rights of the journal will remain with me as a founder editor in chief, but the co-publication agreement I can sign, and Indian subscription right will also remain with me, but rest of the world will remain with Springer, because I cannot sell it to outside the India. I don't have that kind of marketing and promotion team. And believe me, जब तक हम इस जर्नल को पब्लिश कर रहे थे, अच्छा कर रहे थे, इम्पैक्ट अच्छा था. डॉक्टर विशाल हैज़ वर्कड इन माई टीम फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 11 years, 11 साल काम किया है, और 7-8 साल से मेरे साथ नहीं है. Getting 20 papers from universities, quality papers, to sustain 10 papers each 2 issues was a nightmare and difficult task. मेरे कुछ पर्सनल कनेक्ट हैं प्रोफेसर्स इधर उधर, उनकी वजह से मैं स्कॉलर्स के पेपर मिलते थे. और किसी प्रोफेसर को JNU में फ़ोन कीजिए, जामिया में फ़ोन कीजिए कि आपके 5 स्कॉलर्स में से एक पेपर चाहिए. दे यूज्ड टू से मी, हुड्डा साहब बच्चे पूछते हैं इंडेक्सिंग क्या है, बच्चे पूछते हैं कि एब्स्ट्रैक्शन क्या है पेपर का, और मैं उन्हें कहता था इंडेक्सिंग सिर्फ एमएनहुडा है. आप इस पे यकीन रखिए, मेरे एफर्ट्स पे भरोसा रखिए, इंडेक्सिंग होगी जर्नल की. 20 पेपर एक साल में 2 इशू के लिए जुटाना मुश्किल होता था. 2025 वी हैड क्लोज टू 7,500 सबमिशन टू दिस जर्नल, एंड 2026 पहले एक महीने जनवरी की स्टैटिस्टिक देख के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है शायद 11,000 का काउंट होगा अगर ऑन एन एवरेज उसको एक्सट्रापोलेट करें तो. सो दिस सक्सेस इज only because of the passionate people. आप पैशनेट रहें. इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू इट्स ए फ्री पब्लिकेशन. शायद कोई फैकल्टी हो जिनका पेपर पब्लिश हुआ हो, इसमें इनका मैम का पेपर पब्लिश हुआ है. 6 पेज तक का पेपर है तो 1 रुपये नहीं देना. दोनों मॉडल अवेलेबल है, ओपन एक्सेस एंड सब्सक्रिप्शन मोड. ओपन एक्सेस तो ऑफकोर्स द चार्जेस आर पेड बाय द ऑथर्स, सो इट इज अराउंड $4,000 प्लस सिंगापुर गवर्नमेंट टैक्सेस. बट सब्सक्रिप्शन मोड एब्सोल्युटली फ्री फॉर 6 पेजेस, और अगर 8 पेज का पेपर है तो सिर्फ 4,000 रुपए देने हैं. जर्नल की मैट्रिक्स देखिए कि जर्नल स्कोपस इंडेक्स टॉप 95.4% परसेंटाइल के साथ, यानी कि टॉप 4.4% जर्नल के अंदर आता है. Q1 जर्नल है स्कोपस के हिसाब से. साई मैगो ने 72% दिया है. Q2 जर्नल है, और स्प्रिंगर के डेटाबेस में टॉप 10 जर्नल के अंदर आता है. आप भी ये काम कर सकते हैं IEEE के साथ जुड़ के. 1-2 बड़े ऐसे स्टैंडर्ड्स अपने आसपास की सोसाइटी के प्रॉब्लम के लिए दे सकते हैं, किसी हैंडीकैप के लिए दे सकते हैं, किसी अंडर प्रिविलेज के लिए दे सकते हैं. स्टैंडर्ड की टीम में अगर आपका रिक्वेस्ट फॉर प्रपोजल RFP जाता है, एंड इफ द आइडिया अपील्स टू द पीपल विल वेलकम you, or entire funding not only of your project, working on the project, but your travel, your equipments, everything will be done by the IEEE. IEEE is that organization जिसके साथ आप जुड़े हैं, जिसने इस वर्ल्ड को 2000 से ज़्यादा स्टैंडर्ड दिए हैं. तो मैं कह रहा था ये जर्नल फ्री है सब्सक्रिप्शन मोड में, उसके बावजूद इंटरनेशनली ग्लोबली इसका एनुअल रेवेन्यू 8.5 करोड़ है, और 10% रॉयल्टी सिंगापुर गवर्नमेंट की काटने के बाद भी मुझे तकरीबन 80 लाख रुपए रॉयल्टी के आते हैं, जबकि ऑथर्स को कुछ पैसे इसके लिए नहीं देना. जो पढ़ेंगे वो पैसे देंगे. आप कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं. याद रखिए कि हम बहुत बार ये पूछते हैं IEEE हमें क्या देगा. हमें ये सवाल रिवर्स पूछना चाहिए कि हम IEEE के साथ जुड़कर अपनी इस फैटर्निटी, अपने चमन, अपनी कम्युनिटी के लिए क्या करेंगे, ये हमारा सवाल होना चाहिए। हम जब इस प्रोफेशन में आए हैं तो प्रोफेशन सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं आए हैं कि हम अपने लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, हम उस सोसाइटी को, उस कम्युनिटी को कितना बेहतर बनाना चाहते हैं, जैसा हम देखना चाहते हैं, क्या हम उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करके उतना बढ़िया बनाना चाहते हैं। इसी वजह से मैं कहता हूं कि जब हम नहीं होंगे, लोग हमें इस बात से नहीं याद करेंगे कि मैं कितनी अच्छी बातें करता था, लोग हमें इस बात से भी नहीं याद करेंगे कि मैंने किस ब्रांड की घड़ी पहनी थी, लोग इस बात से भी फ्रेंड्स हमें याद नहीं करेंगे किस ब्रांड्स का स्पेक्स एंड क्लॉथ्स पहना था। लोग सिर्फ इस बात से याद करेंगे कि जो काम हमने किया है उसके पीछे कोई इंस्पिरेशन छोड़ा है क्या, कोई प्रेरणा छोड़ी है क्या, और उस काम को कुछ लोग आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं क्या। अगर ये हो रहा होगा तभी लोग हमें इस बात से याद करेंगे। कोविड-1, कोविड-2, कोविड-3 हमारे बीच आया, उस वक्त भी IEEE के स्टैंडर्ड्स चल रहे थे और IEEE एक्टिव थी। उस बीच में 4 पंक्तियां लिखी थी मैंने कि कल ना हम होंगे न कोई गिला होगा, कल ना हम होंगे न कोई गिला होगा, बस सिमटी हुई खट्टी मीठी यादों का एक सिलसिला होगा। जो भी वक्त मिला है आओ अच्छा कुछ कर गुजरे, जाने कल तकदीर का क्या फैसला होगा। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, मैं सिर्फ ये कहने आया हूँ कि आप जो काम करें पैशनेटली करें, अपने दिल और अपने जज्बे के साथ करें। आप बीटेक कर रहे हो, MCA कर रहे हो, वॉट एवर प्रोग्राम यू हैव ज्वाइन, वॉट इन विच एवर लाइफ यू आर, बी पैशनेट वेदर यू आर ए टीचर और ए स्टूडेंट। अपने काम को अपने दिल से लगाइए, उस काम से प्यार कीजिए। आप पैशन और जज्बे के साथ काम करेंगे तो बहुत कुछ ऐसा कर सकते हैं जो आपकी और इस कम्युनिटी की, इस फैटर्निटी की, इस प्रोफेशन की लाइफ को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकता है। मैंने फ्यू ऑफ सच एग्जांपल्स आई हैव गिवन बिफोर यू। और इसी वजह से बशीर बद्र की एक बड़ी गजल की 4 पंक्तियां हैं जो पैशनेट पीपल के लिए, जैसे कहते हैं व्हाट इज सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग, व्हाट इज प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट, रेफर IEEE डेफिनेशन। दिस इज व्हाट द टीचर्स माइट हैव टोल्ड यू। अगर आप उस सेमेस्टर तक नहीं पहुंचे तो अगले सेमेस्टर्स में टीचर्स बताएंगे, किताबें पढ़ेंगे तो वो कहेंगे कि सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग बैरी बोहेम की ये डेफिनेशन है और IEEE की ये डेफिनेशन है। प्रोसेस को बाकी ऑथर्स ने यूं डिफाइन किया है और IEEE ने यूं डिफाइन किया है। मैं पैशन को बशीर बद्र की 4 पंक्तियों से डिफाइन करता हूं कि आंखों में रहा दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा। मतलब यह है व्हाट यू डू नॉट नो इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हाट यू नो हाउ बेस्ट यू नो देम इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट। तो आंखों में रहा दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा, कश्ती के मुसाफिर ने समंदर नहीं देखा, जब से चला हूं मंजिल पे नजर है मेरी, राह में कभी मुड़कर मील का पत्थर नहीं देखा। इस पैशन, इस जज्बे के साथ आप जुड़े IEEE से। वंस अगेन कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू ईच वन ऑफ यू। गोल्डन जुबली खुला है अभी 12 मई 2026 तक। इस 12 मई 2026 तक कम से कम आप 12 प्रोग्राम करें। वी टूल आप अपलोड करना सीखें, बच्चों को सिखाएं। IEEE बिलीव करता है एवरी वॉलंटियर ऑफ IEEE शुड बी वेल वर्स्ड। डॉक्टर राखी उस कमेटी की चेयर हैं जो वी टूल की भी हैंड होल्डिंग करती हैं। वी टूल इज अ वॉलंटियर टूल। आपकी हर एक एक्टिविटी, सो मच सो कि आप अपने कुछ वॉलंटियर्स की मीटिंग कर रहे, वो भी IEEE के वॉलंटियर टूल वी टूल पे रिपोजिटरी पे अपलोड हो सकती है एक फोटोग्राफ, और उस मीटिंग में आपने क्या प्रोसेस डिसाइड किया, क्या एक्टिविटी डिसाइड की है। तो अगले जो 12 मई तक खुले हुए हैं, अगले 4 महीने अब, उसमें कम से कम 12 एक्टिविटी कीजिए, वी टूल पे अपलोड कीजिए। जब आप एक्टिविटीज करेंगे, लोग मिलेंगे, कोलैबोरेट करेंगे, तो वहां से आइडियाज जनरेट होंगे और आप कुछ बेटर करेंगे। सो मच सो बहुत बड़ा इनोवेटिव प्रोजेक्ट अगर आज नहीं सोच पा रहे तो बढ़िया हैकेथॉन सोचिए और IEEE को प्रपोजल दीजिए। अगर उस हैकेथॉन की थीम IEEE के थर्स्ट एरिया से मैच करती है तो आपके हैकेथॉन को भी IEEE फंड करेगा। और सिर्फ टेक्निकल इवेंट नहीं, कोई नॉन टेक्निकल इवेंट जो किसी डाउन ट्रेडन एंड अंडरसर्व्ड पीपल को कनेक्ट कर रही हो टेक्नोलॉजी से, उसको भी IEEE फंड करेगा। सो फाइनली थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग इनवाइटेड मी। चेयर की पोजीशन लिमिटेड होती है, वो टर्म के साथ होती है, बट आई टेक प्राइड सर कि मेरे चेयरशिप में शायद अगर आप 2 साल पहले ब्रांच इस्टेब्लिश करते, मेरा तो 20 साल का एसोसिएशन है वेब से, तो मैं चेयर नहीं था। शायद 1 साल के बाद आप इस्टेब्लिश करते तो भी मैं चेयर नहीं होता। इज ए लिमिटेड पीरियड, दो आई एम ए वॉलंटियर सिंस लास्ट 20 years फॉर IEEE, बट मेरे सेक्शन चेयरशिप में आपकी ब्रांच इस्टेब्लिश हुई है और रिकॉर्ड टाइम में इस्टेब्लिश हुई है। सो ऑल द वॉलंटियर्स हु हैव जॉइंड डिजर्व very very special round of appreciations. Applause for all of them. With this note, कि हमने दिया जलाया है, हम माँ सरस्वती से आशीर्वाद मांगते हैं। उसका पर्पस सिर्फ इतना है कि अंधेरे से उजाले की तरफ लाइए, अंधकार से रोशनी की तरफ लाइए, इग्नोरेंस से नॉलेज की तरफ लाइए। रज़ा मुराद की 4 पंक्तियां हैं जिस पे कंक्लूड करना चाहूँगा। पहले की सारी बशीर बद्र की छोड़ की मेरी अपनी पंक्तियां थीं। रज़ा मुराद की 4 पंक्तियों पे कंक्लूड करूँगा कि उजाले अपनी आँखों में महफूज कर लो, मीन्स की पावर ऑफ नॉलेज एज इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ योर पर्सनैलिटी, अदरवाइज देयर विल बी ह्यूज challenges before you in terms of your personal life, in your personal life as well as in professional life। के उजाले तो जो पावर ऑफ नॉलेज है वही उन चैलेंजेस को फेस करने में मदद करेगा, और वो IEEE जैसे सोसाइटी के जुड़ने के साथ आपकी पावर ऑफ नॉलेज मल्टीपल टाइम्स इंक्रीज कर जाएंगी। कि उजाले अपनी आंखों में महफूज कर लो, बड़ी दूर तक रात ही रात होगी, मुसाफिर हो तुम भी, मुसाफिर हैं हम भी, किसी मोड़ पे फिर मुलाकात होगी। थैंक यू सो मच, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल।
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivation and thoughtful address. We now move to a significant moment of today's ceremony, the official launch of IEEE WIB Students logo. May I request our dignitaries to kindly unveil the IEEE WIB's logo.
This logo symbolizes innovation, collaboration, and technological aspirations of our student community. To carry forward this mission, may I introduce the IEEE WIB student branch team. Branch Head Professor Dr. Vishal Jain Sir. Branch Counselor respected Dr. Rashneet Ranjan Sir. Branch Coordinator respected Dr. Sapna Ma'am.
Now proudly introducing our office bearers, Chairperson Aviral Bohra, Vice Chairperson Anya Agarwal, Aditya Pratap Singh, Secretary Yuvraj, Joint Secretary Anya Kathuria, Treasurer Bharat Goyal, Functional Heads, Management Heads Marasvi Malhotra and Palak Gupta, Social Media Heads Ayushi Gupta, Creative Heads Gautam, Core Members Arav Jain, Vikas Rathore, Shagun Rajput. Let us acknowledge their dedication and commitment towards building a strong and dynamic IEEE student branch, and Dr. Sonakshi Vij ma'am for her continuous and unwavering support.
I now invite Anya Agarwal of the IEEE WIB student branch to briefly present the upcoming plans and activities envisioned for the branch.
Good afternoon, respected dignitaries from the IEEE Delhi section, our faculty members, and my fellow students. As the Vice Chairperson of IEEE Student Branch WIBS, I'm truly honored to stand here today and share the vision of the upcoming year. Inaugurations are important, but what really defines a student branch is not the ceremony. It's the consistency of its work and the impact it creates. And that's exactly where our focus lies. This year, our vision is simple: to build strong and practical research culture among students. When we hear the word research, it often feels complicated or distant. But honestly, research begins with curiosity. It begins when you question something, when you try to understand how systems work, when you think, what's beyond written in your notes? Every big innovation starts with someone asking why, or can this be better? At IEEE Student Branch WIBS, we want to create an environment where students feel confident and take the first step. We'll promote technical writing and research blogs to develop analytical thinking. We'll organize ideathons and hackathons focused on solving real-world problems, not just for prizes, but for impacts. We'll conduct expert sessions and hands-on workshops so students don't just learn theory, but actually build and experiment. And we'll encourage students to take the ideas further towards conferences, showcases, and publications within the IEEE ecosystem. Because research and innovation don't just build resumes, they build credibility, confidence, and clarity. Our success won't be measured by the number of events we conduct, but by the values we create and the ideas we nurture. Our goal is simple: to make IEEE Student Branch WIPS a space where students, not just participants, but creators. As Vice Chairperson, I assure you that we are committed to building an era of consistency, innovation, and real impact. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anya, for outlining such a structured and promising roadmap for the branch. As we approach the conclusion of this auspicious ceremony, I now respectfully invite Professor Dr. Vishal Sir, Dean and Accreditation, Vivekanand Institute of Professional Studies, to deliver the vote of thanks. Sir, kindly address the gathering. All the office bearers of IEEE Student Branch are requested to come towards the stage.
वो रिकॉर्ड भी है
वही बोलेंगे सामान उठा रहे हैं
technical society of this whole school. Then she is the coordinator of whole society.
और बाइक the site is
A very good evening to all of you. It is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasions of the inauguration of IEEE student branch of Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies Technical Campus, New Delhi. I would like to give my sincere thanks to our chairman sir, Dr. H.C. Vath sir, vice chairman sir, Mr. Vineet sir, and management for their constant encouragement and for giving us the opportunity to establish this IEEE student branch in our institution. Your vision and support have made this initiative possible. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chief guest, Professor M.N. Huda sir, Chairperson, IEEE Delhi section. Moreover, he is my academic mentor. So I joined the Bharati Vidyapeeth as my MTech fresher in 2010, and since 2026, sir, I have done so many things, but only the guidance of you. Since grammar checking, typewriting, I have learned so many things from you. So your thoughts have truly motivated us to strive for excellence in the technology and innovation under the banner of IEEE. We extend our sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Professor Sneha Kabra Madam, Secretary IEEE Delhi Section, and the Dr. Rakhi Sharma Madam, IEEE Senior Member, for your valuable presence and encouragement. Your support means a great deal to all of us as we embark for this new journey. I would like to thanks to our director sir, Professor Sunil Kumar Gupta for his kind support and the guidance. A special note of appreciation goes to our faculty advisors, coordinators, whose guidance, dedication, and hard work laid the foundations for today's successful inauguration. Without your continuous mentorship, these milestones would not have achievable. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Sonakshi Sharma, Dr. Ratnesh Ranjan, Dr. Sapna Yadav, and other organizing committee members and the student volunteers who worked tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the smooth conduct of this event. Your teamwork and the commitment truly reflect the spirit of IEEE. So at the end, I thanks to all each and every member. I think we have waiting since 2:30 and now it's 6 o'clock. So thank you very much to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for expressing gratitude on behalf of the institution and the IEEE WIP student branch.
With this, we formally conclude the inauguration ceremony of the IEEE student branch at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies under the IEEE Delhi section. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter of innovation, academic excellence, and global professional engagement.
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to all dignitaries, faculty members, and students for being part of this memorable occasion. You are kindly requested to remain seated, and I invite the IEEE ExCom members to come on the stage for the group photograph. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.